Welcome back. Chevy needs a tray. I need to do some aluminium welding. I got 12 meters, a 50 by 50 square section here. So let's see what we can whiz up.
Pretty much got most of the structural stuff done on the tray frame. I was having dramas with the welder. It was hitting like a thermal cutout, I guess. It just kept like triggering. At the moment I'd go full amperage, it would just cut out. So I'm gonna call it until I can get this thing sorted, but got most of it all tacked up, ready to go. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out, considering the extent of my design was that sketch there. So I'm just gonna put in some like 3mm tread plate along here. These are actually like recessed down a little bit, so it'll sit flush or underneath this part here. All I have to do is just weld in some steps that sort of sit down here all along this front section and sort of along the back here, so it's got some support. Otherwise it'll just sort of flop around a little bit in this sort of square section here. Then I'll just have to bend up some mud guards, just some simple ones out of some sheet metal I got floating around over there. Should do the trick. Then just sort of a little back panel that'll have to come along here and cover that C channel. Then I can recess the tail lights in there. Should look nice and tidy. Then I'll have to do I was thinking either the tread plate or just some smooth aluminium along there, some smooth sheet. Don't know what I'll do yet. Smooth will probably look better. But yeah, so far I'm happy with how it's turned out, considering it was a bit of a slap together job. Definitely good to blow the cobwebs out with the TIG welder. I haven't done any alley welding for like, I don't know, 9 months or something. So it's a shame that it was playing up. I'm sort of stuck without it. Can't really do much without finishing the welds on it. So I'll either fix it or hopefully borrow someone's. But yeah, as always, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you next time.